Take a ride in the 2023 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, six-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, four-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, hill descent control, chrome wheels, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, heated steering wheel, smart device integration, HD radio, satellite radio, ventilated front seats, auxiliary audio input, heated front seats. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.